Hello everyone, welcome to Middle Quarry. It's our home in Middle Quarry. Later we will go there to Camp Allen to my wife's house. So we're just here visiting Mama.
Why am I good again?
Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Today we are gonna go walk. It's Friday, January 16. So we're gonna check out. We're gonna bring my son to school first and just walk around Baguio City. I make videos to show people that we have a beautiful city. Let's go. More blessings to all of us. Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Roo. Today we're gonna bring Roo to the school and we're just gonna walk around. We're gonna change the video format. We're gonna make like a 20-minute video. So join us. Thank you so much. More blessings to all of us. This is my wife's car. Hyundai Elantra. It's nice also. I'm gonna use this. Let's go. Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Today we're gonna go bring my son to school and we're gonna check out different places here in Baguio City by walking. So thank you for joining me. We're gonna lengthen our videos into probably 20 to 30 minutes. So thank you for your support. More blessings to all of us. Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Today we're gonna bring Roo to school. We will just start the car and let's go. We're just gonna get this car ready. We're still waiting for my wife and my son, so I'm just gonna make it ready to go. Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Today we're gonna go to my mama's house in Middle Quarry. We are gonna do simple striking exercises every day. Let's go. Front kick, Superman punch. Front kick, Superman elbow. There, so let's go to Middle Quarry and do more. Jab, knee. Jab, knee, elbow. We're just gonna pour some water. the windshield of the car so it will be clean. The whole tent. Put it here a little. On your feet.
That I built you a house.
Where are you, Ru? Oh, there. You're there. Oh. Let's go to school, Ru. Wait for mommy first.
I don't like going to school because it's a little ball.
Oh no, don't say that. B2 tayo, B2. 20 each. Magkaano po dito sa costume? 180. This is Chongsan Malcolm.
Gusto ko, palaban.
Ganun. Do not do that. Ha? Yung lake. Inaayos yung lake.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
Baka maputo yung candle.
Okay, hello everyone. We just arrived from Camp Allen. We went there to SM. And then from SM, we went here in Middle Quarry. So, Ru is in Middle Quarry. Where's our mansion, Ru?
That's right in Minecraft.
Oh, Jabby Burger. Hello everyone. We just arrived here in Middle Quarry. So, let's do kickboxing training. Hi, hello everyone. Today we're gonna do knee block, fake, and then end it with different strikes. Knee block, fake, straight. There. Knee block, fake, elbow. Knee block, fake, upward elbow. Knee block, fake, Superman elbow. Okay, sleep, sleep, and then jab, upward jab. Okay, sleep, sleep, elbow. Sleep, sleep, upward elbow. Hello everyone, welcome to Discover. We are already home. Welcome to Baguio City. Hello Baguio Paparazzi. Today it's already evening. We're gonna make our videos longer, so catch me every day. Let's go. Okay, we're going home. Louis Corpus. Tomorrow we're gonna do more striking at home. The most delicious pata ng baka. Wow.
niyo po ba to? Roti soup, macaroni soup. Like ba doon?
Yes, macaroni soup cooked by my wife.
I will read.
Baka si Rio. Ako din. And pata ng baka, may mama ko. Good morning everyone. It's 6 a.m. Good morning everyone. It's 6 a.m. We have a home tutor, home training today, so let's get ready. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Life in Baguio. We have a home tutor training for kickboxing, so we will go to Quezon Hill. Let's go. Hello everyone, it's me Louie Corpus. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Today we're gonna do week videos. 1 week. Hello everyone, it's me Louie Corpus. Welcome to Discover Road. We're gonna walk around Baguio City today. Let's go. It's 6:30 a.m. Let's go. I think they have a fiesta. We are leaving Camp Allen. We're going here. We're gonna meet my friend in St. Vincent Church. This is going to Bukaucan. This is going to Nagilian Road. This is going to Bukaucan. This is going to Nagilian. Hello everyone, we are here in St. Vincent Church. Let's go. Okay, hello everyone. We are here in St. Vincent Church. We're gonna wait for my friend. We're gonna go to their house. It's a home Muay Thai training. So, let's go. We'll be waiting him here. He will pick me up here. Let's go. Okay, we are here in Quadrat Motra. Motra. Welcome to Discover Room. Nga man ko unay kabisado, DJ takay lang, di na takay nga pababa. DJ. Sige mga kayo pa.
Sige, dito no extension, ito'y gamin nga dumalan.
Ay,
Dini, data nga jeep. Express data.
Express.
Ito'y ka bumaba.
Awan. Ay, okay.
Tungan mo nga nakita dyan kakay, sa bali nagnaan na sigurado ito'y nga magla.
Ah,
Ibagam nga dagosan manong bumaba si Esquilaan sa lambi.
yun, amo ko.
Oh, nalpas. No point to ito lang. Di ba ba?
One.
Okay. Pag panunutak na rod no Saturdays, awan mati coding. No ayusan ta kata jay garahe.
One ah.
Sa tuuray jay pasit lang ang space nga di ay. At least at pag-trainingan. At tapay TCR nan.
One.
Oh, di ba?
One nga.
Gumatang talang ti na jay. Jay nga na galis kayo.
We are here in Quezon Hill. Okay, hello everyone. It's me, Louis Corpus. We're done training, giving home service Muay Thai, so we're gonna walk. Let's go. We are here in Quezon Hill. Quezon Hill. This is it, Quezon Hill Elementary School. Okay, we're going home. It's Saturday. Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpus. Today we will go to the market. We're gonna go buy bangus. Let's go. We're going to the market today. It's Saturday. Let's go check out the Baguio market. Hello everyone, today we're gonna go to the Baguio market. We're gonna check out ukay-ukay. Let's go. This is upper market. Just going down you will reach market, Baguio City Market. So that's General Luna Road. We're going up here, Riviera Building, the ukay-ukay. Go up. Here. 20 pesos. $20. Oo, isa lang. Yung pang-ihaw po.
Ito 40 dyan ah. So, ito ang 200 maliliit.
Pakbet.
Ano pakbot yun?
38.
1 day old pulutan natin. 1 day old chicken. Woo!